everyone, Spencer Janke with Cornerstone Home Lending here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Wanted to give you a quick update really fast, and not really even an update. Y'all have heard everything about what's going on with interest rates, and you all know that they are incredibly low. So I don't necessarily need to tell you and scream at the top of my lungs to refinance your property. So that is not what I'm saying today. At the same time, there's a lot more that goes into just an interest rate. For example, making sure that you're leveraged the right way. I know we talk about debt in this world and we all want to get out of debt. Case in point, myself, I am afraid of debt, but not when it comes to like the mortgage side. Let me talk about that. With these low interest rates, there's a lot of variables that come into play here. Making sure that you're structuring your debt the right way. Maybe it's a cash out refi. Maybe it's absorbing some of that other consumer debt, unfortunately, that some of us do have or have had in the past. You might as well tap into that equity. Maybe you own a property that has seen some dramatic appreciation, and now's a time where you can reposition that equity and purchase that investment property that you're talking about, or you and your family have been thinking about doing. Or perhaps some of you are in a different stage of life and you're possibly thinking about, hey, I do want to buy that home down in St. George, Utah. Not to mention St. George, Utah is on the rise and it's going to be one of the biggest cities in the Western United States at some point in time. Who knows? But the point is, when you have these incredibly low interest rates, there are a lot of options. Maybe it's taking it from a 30-year down to a 15. Why? Because those 15s are low twos, and who knows where they're going to go beyond that. I mean, that is mind-boggling. And again, these are just questions that you should be asking yourselves, and maybe you don't have those answers. And this is where we here at Cornerstone Home Lending would love to help you answer those questions and guide you through that financial process. Let me say one more thing. My number one goal is always the well-being of my clients. So even if I am not your lender, even if we do not refinance your home, that is okay. If you have a relationship with somebody, awesome. If you just have a question, I'll give you my opinion and I'll steer you in the right direction for what it's worth. But again, I love talking to you all. Let's make it happen. Have a great 2021. Reach out with any questions. I'll talk to you soon.